Skydeck.
Damn, girl. You remind me of Arby's because you look pretty decent and there's no other options in this airport, so I guess I'm...
Well, what do you mean you're cheating on me?
Pledge allegiance to the flag of these great American states, and if you don't like it, you can kiss my ass, because I'm proud of where I was raised.
We're the Planeteers. You can be one too. Cause saving our planet is the thing to do.
It's ridiculous, it's been much. For some reason I just can't get over.
Now, I know it takes me 20 minutes to go to the grocery store, and I don't get to go shopping that often. But why would you ever want to live in the city?
Solo, eso estoy comiendo empanada.
I'm going to Asia! Bye!
You can't see a damn thing out here.